14 years old. I am from Al-Yatima. My father's name is Aziz. My mother's name is Aisha. My father is an accountant. My mother is a housewife. I have two brothers, Zuhir and Omar. I study in Al-Nahda High School. I love all my teacher in the school because it's very nice. And I want to be in the future a French teacher because I love this language and I feel very good when I study this language. About Access program, I feel happy when I won here. And thank you for Access program and the teacher for everything.